Hello everyone and welcome back to my Rubik's Cube tutorial. Now starting on with step 2, forming the white cross. I hope the earlier video was clear to you and you had formed the daisy. Also, I encourage you to jot down the points and algorithms as we go. So on to the white cross. First, find the edge piece complementary to white. I'll show you here. So we had formed the daisy here, and an edge piece complementary to the white indicates that this is our daisy and this is our white petal. So an edge piece complementary to white means the piece which is adjacent to the white one. So over here we have green, red, blue and orange. Always remember that blue is always opposite to green and red is always opposite to orange. So here we consider this one. This is our white petal and this is our adjacent piece, and in this case orange. So first what we'll do, we'll follow an algorithm. First, instead of the algorithm, we'll first find and patch up this orange one with a center orange piece. So what we are doing, we are going to match it with a orange center piece. This is a complementary orange piece complementary to the white one, and we'll match here with the orange centerpiece. And there you go, we have an orange pattern over here. This is our daisy and this is our orange pattern. Now what you'll do, you'll follow a very simple algorithm. It clearly states just F2. For that, this is your face: up, left, right and face. What you'll do, you'll do 2 clockwise F turns, that is F2. So here 1 and 2. What this basically does is that instead of the 2 orange faces facing the yellow centerpiece, it makes it face the white one. As you see, instead of facing the yellow daisy, it is now facing the white centerpiece. And we are towards our first step of forming the white cross. You can see here, of the 4 petals of the white cross, we have the first one over here. So what we are basically doing is that we are removing the petals of the daisy and we are putting it into the petals of the white cross. Now we'll do the same for all 4 petals of the white cross. So here we can see already the pattern is formed: blue, blue, white, blue, blue. Now we will do F2, 2 turns of the F. Here we go, 1 and 2. There you have it, 1 petal lost, 1 petal gained. Now we have 2 white petals of our white cross. Now this is another petal. So you can see here that they have already been formed, but if the case was like this, so you have it. This is a white petal of the daisy, 2 white petals remain. This is red color. So you will find where the red piece is, where the red centerpiece is. This is green, no. Orange, no. Blue, no. Red, yes. This is a red one. We have to match it over here. We'll move it like this. And there you have it. I'll show it again. This is a red one. And I have to move it towards the centerpiece. So I'll move it like this. And there you have it. Red, red, white. We'll again follow that algorithm, F2. So here we go, 1 and 2. 3 petals now. Instead of the daisy having 4 petals, we are having 3 petals of the white cross and only 1 petal of the daisy. 1 petal remains. Green is already solved. We'll turn it 1, 2. And there you have it. Our white cross has been formed. So successfully our white cross has been formed, and as a bonus point, we have here all the edge pieces matching with their respective centerpieces. You see green, orange, blue and red. So this is basically a bonus point for a white cross. In the next video, we'll be focusing on getting the white bottom along with understanding hand ergonomics, which is necessary for the future videos. Thank you and see you again. Bye bye.